What is the one word for not secure, beset with difficulties? The correct answer is precarious. What is the one word for a useful or valuable quality? The correct answer is asset. What is the one word for a group or class of persons enjoying superior status? The correct answer is elite. What is the one word for lose the right to or lose by some error, offense, or crime? The correct answer is forfeit. What is the one word for tear down so as to make flat with the ground? The correct answer is raise. What is the one word for make an express demand or provision in an agreement? The correct answer is stipulate. What is the one word for declare solemnly and formally as true? The correct answer is affirm. What is the one word for impossible to control? The correct answer is irrepressible. What is the one word for stand still? The correct answer is stagnate. What is the one word for intellectually productive? The correct answer is prolific. What is the one word for follow stealthily or pursue like a ghost? The correct answer is haunt. What is the one word for tediously repetitious or lacking in variety? The correct answer is humdrum. What is the one word for large in capacity or bulk? The correct answer is voluminous. What is the one word for artfully persuasive in speech? The correct answer is glib. What is the one word for easily disturbed or disgusted by unpleasant things? The correct answer is squeamish. What is the one word for supply with an excess of? The correct answer is glut. What is the one word for open and observable, not secret or hidden? The correct answer is overt. What is the one word for submissive or fawning in attitude or behavior? The correct answer is servile. What is the one word for force into some kind of situation or course of action? The correct answer is embroil. What is the one word for a reminder of past events? The correct answer is memento.